Move-in ready and beautifully maintained, this 4-bedroom home is located in the highly sought-after Sunningdale Gardens neighborhood in Camas. Nestled on a quiet, low-traffic loop, it's just moments from Camas Lake, fantastic parks, shopping, and dining. Head inside and you're greeted by warm, new hardwood floors, an inviting fireplace, and timeless design. The family room opens to the spacious chef's kitchen, featuring granite countertops, generous prep space, a cooktop island, and premium Wolf double ovens, making it easy to cook, gather, and stay connected. Or take the gathering outside to the expansive patio and fire pit. Natural light and large windows bring the outside in to the formal living and dining rooms, providing additional flexibility for hosting holidays, dinner parties, or simply enjoying extra room to spread out. Upstairs, high-quality wool carpet enhances the comfort of the bedrooms, including a generous vaulted primary suite. It features a well-appointed primary bath, complete with a separate tub, large shower, and a walk-in closet. This home of more than 2,500 square feet has a thoughtfully designed layout with plenty of room to fit a variety of lifestyles. Outside, the flat, low-maintenance backyard is ready for relaxing evenings, weekend barbecues, and gathering around the fire pit with friends and family. An oversized 3-car garage provides exceptional storage and workspace. Additional updates, including a newer roof, offer peace of mind and move-in ready convenience. And beyond the home itself, you'll love the location. This is Sunningdale Gardens living at its best. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.